French women are famous for looking effortlessly chic well into their 60s, 70s, and beyond. And for the longest time, I thought this was some expensive secret, something only women with designer budgets could pull off. I was wrong. After digging into this for weeks, watching how these women actually dress, what they buy, what they skip, I realized the real secret has almost nothing to do with money. It comes down to 7 small habits, and honestly, hack number 4 is the one nobody talks about, but it is the one that changes absolutely everything. So stay with me till the end, because by the time this video is over, you will never look at your closet the same way again. Hey Glow fam, welcome back to Ageless Glow, the channel where we prove that looking good after 60 does not have to break the bank. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button because we drop videos just like this every single week. Now let's get into it. Hack number 1. The Forever Piece Rule. Here is something French women figured out decades ago, long before capsule wardrobes became a trend online. They do not fill their closet with 100 cheap items that they will barely wear. Instead, they pick a small handful of pieces that never go out of style, and they wear those same pieces for years, sometimes even decades. Picture a well-made trench coat, the kind with a proper collar and a belt that ties at the waist. Picture a blazer that actually fits your shoulders instead of hanging off them. Picture one really good pair of leather shoes in a neutral color, maybe a nude or a soft brown, something that goes with everything. These are what I call forever pieces. Now here is why this matters so much. Trends change every few months. If you build your wardrobe around trends, you are constantly buying new things just to keep up, and most of it ends up sitting in a drawer after one season. But forever pieces do not follow trends, so they never look outdated. And because you are only buying a handful of things instead of dozens, you can actually afford to spend a little more on quality without it costing you more overall. Think of it this way. Would you rather own 10 cheap tops that fall apart after a few washes, or 3 really good ones that still look brand new 3 years from now? French women choose the second option every single time, and honestly, once you try it, you will wonder why you did not switch sooner. Hack number 2. The neutral foundation trick. If you ever get the chance to peek into a French woman's closet, you will notice something. A lot of beige, a lot of navy, black, cream, soft gray. At first glance it might even look a little boring, like there is no personality in there at all. But that is actually the entire point, and it is smarter than it looks. These neutral colors work like a blank canvas. They match everything effortlessly, they never clash with each other, and they make getting dressed in the morning almost stress-free because nearly everything in the closet works together. You are not standing there for 20 minutes trying to figure out if your top matches your bottom. Just works. Then, instead of adding 10 different colors to try and stand out, French women add just one single pop of color through one item. Maybe it is a bold red lipstick. Maybe it is a colorful silk scarf. Maybe it is a bright handbag against an otherwise neutral outfit. That one pop of color does all the work, and it draws the eye exactly where you want it. This is why French outfits always look so put together, even when they are actually quite simple. It is not luck, and it is not some special French gene. It is basic math. Neutral base, one statement piece, and suddenly the whole outfit looks intentional instead of thrown together. Hack number 3. The scarf is not just fabric. If there is one accessory that French women treat like an actual styling tool, it is the scarf. But we are not talking about just wrapping it around your neck to stay warm. This is much smarter than that. They tie it in a loose, slightly messy knot around the neck to instantly upgrade a completely plain t-shirt into something that looks styled. They wrap it around the handle of an old, slightly boring handbag, and suddenly that same bag looks brand new and expensive. Some even fold it and tie it around a simple ponytail or bun, turning basic hair into something that looks like it took real effort. Here's the part that really surprised me. A single scarf styled 3 or 4 different ways across the week can make it look like you own 5 completely different outfits, when really you are just wearing the same handful of basics on repeat. Nobody watching can tell. All they see is that you always look put together. This is honestly one of the cheapest style upgrades that exists, and it is one that most women completely overlook because a scarf feels like such a small, unimportant thing. It is not. Take quick pause here. If you are enjoying this so far, and I really hope you are, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, it genuinely helps this video reach more women just like you who need to hear this. And while you are at it, Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these secrets has surprised you the most so far. I read every single comment, I promise you that. Alright, let's get back into it because the next one is the secret I promised you at the very beginning. Hack number 4. Fit over size. This is the one nobody talks about enough, and honestly, I think it might be the most important one on this entire list. French women do not care what number is written on the tag inside their clothes. They care about one thing only: how that piece actually sits on their real current body. Here is what I mean. A blazer that is technically labeled your size but pulls awkwardly across the shoulders or bunches up at the back will always look worse, no matter how expensive it was, than a blazer that fits you perfectly, even if that means sizing up or getting it altered slightly. The number on the tag means nothing. The way the fabric sits on your body means everything. And here is the secret nobody tells you clearly enough. Getting something tailored is often shockingly cheap. Hemming a pair of pants so they hit right at your ankle instead of pooling on the floor. Taking in the waist of a skirt so it actually sits at your natural waistline instead of sliding around. Adjusting the sleeves of a jacket so they end at the right spot on your wrist. These are small, inexpensive fixes, often costing just a few dollars at a local tailor, but they completely transform how an outfit looks on your specific body. I want you to really sit with this one. A $5 thrift store find, properly tailored to fit your body, will look more expensive and more elegant than a $200 designer piece that fits you badly. This single habit alone changes everything about how put together you look, and it costs almost nothing. Hack number 5: buy less but buy smarter. French women follow a rule that sounds simple but is honestly life-changing once you actually apply it. Before buying anything, they ask themselves one question: how many times will I realistically wear this? If the honest answer is only once or twice, maybe for a specific event, they skip it no matter how cute it looks on the hanger or how good the sale price is. But if the answer is something like, I could genuinely wear this 50 times with jeans, with a skirt, dressed up, dressed down, then they consider it a smart investment even if it costs a bit more upfront than they originally planned to spend. This way of thinking is sometimes called cost per wear, and once you start using it, it completely changes the way you shop. Instead of impulse buying 10 trendy things that end up sitting untouched in your closet within a month, you slowly build a wardrobe made up entirely of pieces you actually reach for again and again. And here is the part that surprises people the most. Over time, this approach saves far more money than constantly buying cheap items that you barely wear and then have to replace. Next time you are standing in a store holding something you are unsure about, ask yourself that same question. How many times will I actually wear this? Let the honest answer decide for you. Hack number 6. Effortless beauty, not overdone beauty. Here is something that genuinely surprised me when I first learned it. French women are not spending an hour in front of the mirror every single morning. Their entire beauty approach is actually famous worldwide for looking effortless, almost like they did not try at all, even though there is real skill behind it. Think simple, natural makeup that enhances your features rather than covering them up completely. A little color on the lips, maybe some light definition around the eyes, and that is often it. Think hairstyles that work with your natural texture instead of constantly fighting against it with heat tools and products every single day. The overall goal is never to look like you spent hours getting ready. The goal is to look like you simply woke up already put together. And here is the practical bonus. This approach saves real time and real money. You are not buying 20 different products that all promise something different. You are not spending an hour every morning before work or before running errands. Less genuinely can be more here, and it often ends up looking far more elegant than a heavily done look ever could. Hack number 7. Confidence is worn like clothing. French women wear their confidence the exact same way they wear that signature scarf we talked about earlier, like it is simply part of the outfit, not something separate or extra. They are not dressing to chase someone else's approval, and they are not trying to dress 20 years younger than they actually are. They wear what genuinely makes them feel good, and they wear it with total ease. That energy alone completely changes how an outfit is perceived by everyone around them. Here is something worth really thinking about. You could put the exact same outfit on 2 different women, but if one wears it while feeling unsure and apologetic, and the other wears it with quiet confidence and ease, they will look like 2 completely different outfits, even though the clothes themselves are identical. This is honestly the secret that costs absolutely nothing, and yet it might be the single most powerful one on this entire list. So there you have it, the 7 French-style secrets that prove looking chic after 60 has very little to do with how much money you spend, and everything to do with a handful of smart, simple habits. The forever peace rule, the neutral foundation trick, the power of a scarf fit over size, buying less but smarter, effortless beauty, and wearing your confidence like clothing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you are subscribed to Ageless Glow, because we have so much more coming your way every single week. Give this video a like if you learned something new today, and let me know in the comments which one of these 7 secrets you are trying first. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.